So in today's video, we'll be talking about what is NSE and BSE. BSE stands for Bombay Stock Exchange and NSE stands for National Stock Exchange. Although everybody understands that both BSE and NSE is something related to securities such as stock, shares and bonds, what is the exact definition of the stock exchange? Let's find it out in this video. In India, we have two main stock exchange markets. Firstly, there is National Stock Exchange NSE and Bombay Stock Exchange BSE. What is BSE? In 1875, BSE or Bombay Stock Exchange was established and it was formerly known as the Native Share and Stock Brokers Association. However, after 1957, Government of India recognized this stock exchange as the premier stock exchange of India under the Securities Contract Regulation Act 1956. Sensex was also introduced in 1986 as the first ever equity index of India to offer an identifying base for top 30 exchange trading companies. In 1995, BSE Online Trading BOLT was established and at that time its capacity amounted to 8 million transactions per day. BSE is the first stock exchange of Asia and it offers varied services such as market data services, risk management, CDSL, that is Central Depository Services Limited, depository services, etc. Bombay Stock Exchange is additionally 12th biggest stock exchange marketplace in the world, and as of July 2017, its market capitalization is over 2 trillion. So what is NSE? NSE or National Stock Exchange is located in Mumbai and it is India's leading stock exchange market. It first came into existence in 1992 and brought with it an electronic exchange system in India which led to the removal of paper-based system. NSE introduced Nifty 50 in 1996 as the identifying base for top 50 stock index, and it is extensively utilized as Indian capital marketers barometer and by Indian investors. National Stock Exchange became a stock exchange recognized company by 1993 and in 1992 it was incorporated as a tax-paying company under Securities Contracts Act 1956. Formation of NSDL, National Securities Depository Limited, took place in 1995 to offer investors a safe platform for transferring and holding their bonds and shares electronically. National Stock Exchange is the 10th biggest stock exchange marketplace, and as of March 2017, its market capitalization reached over 1.41 trillion. Now let us see some of the differences between BSE and NSE. Coming on to the date of establishment, BSE was founded in the year 1875, while NSE was founded in 1992. The brand identity of the two stock exchanges is shown here. Coming on to the position ascertained, BSE has been the most ancient stock exchange of Asia, and NSE is considered to be the largest stock exchange in India. The products offered. BSE facilitates trading in equity, currencies, debt, instruments, derivatives, and mutual funds. NSE facilitates trading equity, equity derivatives, debt, and currency derivative segments. The vision of the exchanges. The vision of BSE is to emerge as the premier Indian stock exchange with best-in-class global practice in technology, products, innovation, and customer service. The vision of NSE is to continue to be a leader, establish global presence, facilitate the financial well-being of people. The managing director and CEO of BSE is Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan, while of NSE is Mr. Vikram Limay. The benchmark index. Sensex is the benchmark index and comprises of 30 companies for BSE, and for NSE, Nifty is the benchmark index and comprises of 50 companies. Market capitalization. You can see the figures in crores of both the stock exchanges in terms of market capitalization. Total number of listed entities. For BSE, it's around 5,089 and for NSE, it's around 2,000. Position in the world. BSE is the 10th largest stock exchange in the world and NSE is the 11th largest stock exchange. Index value. BSE has an index value of 34,315 while NSE has an index value of 10,303. Website reference. You can visit BSE at www.bseindia.com and you can visit NSE at www.nseindia.com. Coming on to the conclusion, both the stock exchanges, National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange, are an important part of Indian capital market. Every day, hundreds of thousands of brokers and investors trade on these stock exchanges, and both are established in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, recognized. You can visit our website StockQuantum.com for more information, and thank you so much for watching this video.